Dr. Blumenthal back here at Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office, and excited to have Tim with us. Tim, it's been about a year since your last surgery. We did the video, sort of the before pictures, and it makes a big difference. I mean, you can tell sort of your profile. As you're saying, it's all real hair. You can go outside and you can put your hair through it. You do have the fine, thin hair, and at the beginning we said, with Caucasian hair that's more fine and thin, you're going to get that 30 to 40%, and I think that's where you are. You're not going to get the 16-year-old voluptuous hair like when you're 14 or 16 years old, but it looks good. It makes you look a lot younger. We'll put up the pictures before, the before pictures as well, so we can add to it. But tell me about the year. Tell me about how you feel right now.
Yeah, so Dr. Blumenthal, it's been a good experience. Sat down with you in October of 2020 for the procedure. Procedure was pretty easy. The recovery time wasn't that bad either.
Good.
I was sure to use ice on the stitching. You did a great job with the stitching around the back and sides of my head.
Good.
So that healed very nicely. For about the first 2 months or so, it moves pretty slowly. And then the first hairs start coming in. And once that happens, the only difficult part is waiting for it all to grow in.
It can be frustrating. The waiting can be frustrating. Absolutely. Yeah.
The waiting is the hardest part. So Tom Petty had that right. But it came in real nicely. I'm very happy with the results.
Good.
And I also, I'm happy I worked with you. Awesome. I feel like we had a good consult. We talked about expectations. We talked about realistic expectations. Turns out I was a good candidate for this procedure. And to anybody who's watching, if you're trying to determine if this is right for you, you want to know if it's real or not. The answer is yes. Yes, it's real. And it is a life-changing event. It's one of the best decisions I've ever made.
That's awesome.
Is it right for you? The only way to know that is to come into Natural Hair Transplants and talk to Dr. Blumenthal or call David down in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And they'll talk to you about what you can expect, what they can reasonably do with where you are and where you're heading. And just be smart and take care of your hair.
And I think yours is good. I think yours is sort of like we always tell patients, that 30 to 40% density in the back of the head. That's kind of what you can expect, and I think that's what you got. If at some point you wanted to go in and sort of fill in the areas to make it even an additional 30 to 40%, so now you're at 60 to 80, I think that's very reasonable at some point. I don't think you need it, and you may be, and if you're thrilled with it, I love it. But I think it looks great. It looks great. Do me a favor. We're like I said, we're going to match up the before pictures. So just look left and hold that for about 3 seconds or so, and then we'll go the other direction. Look to your right. Hold that for a few seconds. Awesome. And then look towards me again. Then just look down towards the floor, and just hold that. Love it. That looks great, man. And you said you can even go down to a 1 guard, and you can't even see the scar in the back. Okay.
Yeah. If I wanted to, I could go down to awesome, a 1. It wouldn't be a problem at all.
Awesome. It makes a big difference. I'm really happy for you. We're here for you if you need us. Okay.
I appreciate that.
Awesome, Tim. Thanks for doing this.
I also appreciate that you guys have a long-term relationship with your clients. Again, to whoever's watching this video, if you're trying to figure out, is this right for me? Is this the right place for me? Natural Hair Transplants will establish a relationship with you.
Cool. They
stay in touch with you. They check in on you. You can text Dr. Blumenthal. You can text David. They respond to you right away. Awesome. So this is not a one and done. You're creating a relationship with these people, and they will take care of you.
Thanks, Tim. Appreciate that, man. That's awesome. I'm thrilled. Keep in touch, okay?
Will do.
All right, buddy. Take care, man.
Thanks, Dr. Blumenthal.
Bye-bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.